Welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about the info function. The info function is not one that you generally use a lot of in the spreadsheeting side of things. It is usually used in the VBA side or the programming side of Microsoft Excel, and that is because it can pull up very specific information about the type of operating system the person is using Excel on, the version of Excel, and so forth. So let's have a look at it and see what is actually there. So in this case here, what we want to do to use the info function, we type in equals as usual, info, round brackets, and these are the different things that you can actually pull up. So in this case here, I want to find out what the current directory or folder is that I'm actually working in. So I simply go double quotes, directory, close the double quotes with round bracket, hit enter, and it tells me that I'm currently working on J Drive in a folder called 2, Learning with CJ Videos, and Training Files. So for example, if I was trying to get to a specific directory using VBA code, I could easily use this function to pull that information out. So it's very useful in that regard. Let's have a look at some other things that you can find out with the info function. So I'll go down to the next cell C4, type in equals info again, round brackets, and this time we can actually go, let's look at the operating system version. So we go double quotes, OS version, close the double quotes, round brackets, and what it's telling me now is that I'm actually currently working in Windows, a 32-bit version, and we're in Windows 10.0. Again, we can also use the info function to find out things like what version of Excel we're working in. So we go equals info round brackets. We simply type in double quote again, release, double quote round brackets, hit enter, and you can see it tells us we're working in Microsoft Excel version 16. Now again, why is all of this really important? Well, sometimes when you're working in certain versions of the program, there are going to be certain functions that don't work. So as Excel has progressed over the years, you will find that some functions that were available in previous versions may not work in this version. So what you can do where you've created VBA code is you can test before you actually open your spreadsheet or template to see that the person who is actually using your file is working on the right version of Excel. Now this is great for people who are programmers and that sort of thing, and it can also be useful for people who are doing advanced Excel where you're starting to write information to directories, etc. as well. So that's one of the advantages or where we would use the info function. Alright, so if you like this video, hit the subscribe button so you'll find out when we have more videos coming out. Hit the like button as well, or simply leave us a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you in the next one.